Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're having a comparison for Binance versus Trust Wallet. Which one is better? When it comes to custodianship, non-custodial, Trust Wallet keep your private key and seed phrase. Trust Wallet doesn't hold them, but Binance, when using it, built-in wallet, Binance holds the keys for funds on the exchange. If you keep assets on the platform, you depend on its security and policies. When it comes to number of blockchains and token support, Trust Wallet supports 70 plus blockchains and many token standards, while Binance also supports many tokens and coins for trading, including those across many chains, but its wallet ecosystem is more tied to the Binance ecosystem. When it comes to security, Trust Wallet is strong for what it is: encryption, local seed phrase storage, ability to import or export, no KYC required, just to hold, and less central oversight. While Binance is very strong centralized security feature with 2FA, withdrawal whitelists, cold storage of many assets, regulatory compliance, but risks of centralized platforms apply hacks, account lockouts, or regulatory pressure. Now, moving on to trading fiat on ramp or sell-in. On Trust Wallet, you can buy crypto via third-party providers inside the app, swap tokens, use DEX or DeFi functionality, but selling to fiat withdrawing to bank is more cumbersome in some regions. But Binance is much more integrated. You can deposit, withdraw fiat, large trading pairs, instant trades, much better liquidity, and many tools like spot, margin, features, etc. If you need to frequently trade or cash out, Binance is more powerful. Now, the most important thing is the fees. Trust Wallet typically doesn't charge for holding or wallet functionality. You pay blockchain gas fees and any fees from on-ramps or swapping providers, while Binance has trading fees, deposit or withdrawal fees for some currencies, and price spreads. But for many trades, fees can be competitive, especially with discounts using BNB, etc. Also, Binance sometimes lower costs for large volume users. So choose Trust Wallet if you prioritize control over funds, mainly want to interact with DeFi, want simplicity and privacy, or don't need to frequently trade or cash out to a bank. And choose Binance if you want to trade often, use various markets like spot, marginal features, and need easy fiat in and out and high liquidity, like many tools under one platform in staking, savings and launches, etc. Don't mind giving up some control of private keys in exchange for convenience. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.